Kinemaster is a perfect video editing software on Android. You can edit videos like a pro, and you can edit films in it. So I have given not full tutorial. I have given some tutorial of Kinemaster premium version in this video. So if you want to know, means not full tutorial like that, how to use Kinemaster, I have given that in this video. Means how to use this, how to use it like that. How to add videos, how to add layers, how to add text, how to add music. This all I have taught you in this video. So if you want to know that, watch this video till end. And if you want to know more about Kinemaster, subscribe to my channel so that I will be posting Kinemaster related videos. So I will, if you watch all these videos, you will be pro in Kinemaster. So watch this video till end. So let's get started.
When you open Kinemaster, the interface will be like this. When you open Kinemaster for the first time, the interface will be not like this. This all will be gone. So I will tell every case in it. So this is the new project, this is the tutorials, and this is settings. How about Kinemaster? These are the stores. When you open new project, you have to select aspect ratio. I want to select like this. Here you have media. You have to add. I will add my previous video. And here you can adjust the clip like this. You can trim when you go. You can trim this side. You can undo this, so you won't trim. You cannot trim. And this you can trim like this. You can split it, so you can edit this pic as separate, and you can edit this pic separate. And you have clip graphics. So you can add some like this text. So you can adjust the speed like this here, slow.
Apple has launched its iPhone SE 2020.
I want the slow motion up to here, so you can split it. And this you can adjust the speed up to 1 second. So this is the normal speed. Okay, I want to add clip graphics only here, so I have added the graphics only up to here. Okay, here this is the media section, and you can rotate and mirroring. You can understand these are very easy. You can adjust the color filters like this, black and white, and this, that, and I don't want. And this is the adjustment like this. This is the brightness, this is the contrast, and this is the saturation. Okay, this is the volume envelope. Means you can adjust the volume of it. Audio filter. See how the audio changed. See, this is robot. I don't want this. And this is a vignette like this. You can change this clip like this. Okay, and here you can crop like this. This is starting position, and this is the ending position. If you want this starting and ending same position, you can click on it. But I want starting position like this and ending position like this. See how it changes. See, I'm dragging this track like this. It took some time, so you can do like this using both hands. The clip has changed very small. Now you can adjust like this. This is the starting position, see, and this is the ending position. It changed, but I want the same starting and ending same. I will adjust and click on it. So starting and ending will be same. It won't change like that. And here you can add layer. In the layer you can add media. I will add my channel logo. Okay, this is my channel logo. In animation, there are some animation like this, and out animation, oral animation, out animation. See, out animation, in animation it faded, and it oral animation and out animation. Okay, you can adjust this also like a cropping. In this cropping you have masking, so you can adjust like this. Okay, you can blend it so that, see, overlay normal like this. You can adjust the capacity of it. See, I will blend this. You can adjust the capacity. You can adjust the duration of it like this. If you like, you can blend it. You can adjust this all same clips like this. If you click on it, it fits screen, and if you off, you can adjust manually. You can rotate like this. This all the same clip as this. Now you can add audio from here, music assets. From this you can add your song. From this you can add like this. If you click on assets, you will get these audios. See music, and here some audios are there. I want to play and this. This song is nice, so I will download this and install in my page. Okay, this song is installed, and here sound effects are there. See, you will have all sound effects like this: bell, laugh. You can add some footsteps, drag, switch, drill. Like this, you will have. Now I have installed this song, so you can add in the layer. So I want to listen my sound very clearly, so I will adjust my sound at 200, and I want to reduce the sound of this song like this, and you can adjust this song like this. See, I want still more song. I don't want to add again and again. You can just loop till end, so it will loop till end. Okay, you can trim and split. If you want loop, you can trim. If you loop, you can't trim. You can adjust the sound like this. Okay, this is the audio editing. Now suddenly if you go back here, you will get this clip here. So if you click, you can play this, you can share this, you can add a duplicate layer of it, you can delete, you can edit like this here. Okay, now these are the assets. Store, you can download and install anything from here.
This is the store, so you can download any effects like this. These are the effects. And these are the effects. I want to download it. You can see preview of it. You will get like this. So this is nice. So I will download 70 KB. And this is the transitions. Transitions means nothing but one clip to another clip. It will change like that. See, I will tell something. So this one, see, it will change this clip to this clip like this. I want to download it and I want to show you installing assets. And these are the overlays here. You can add stickers, text, titles. You can download anything from here. Okay, these are the text you can download. This text is nice. I want to download it. And these are the handwritings. In this is nice. Okay, I have downloaded that. These are the music I have set. These are also an effects of the video. Okay, we will go back and we will add some text here. Just okay. You can adjust it. You can adjust the font size from here. Now we have downloaded this. This is the font style we have downloaded.
You can add shadows for this. You can trim. You can adjust it however you want like this. If you did any mistake in this, you can adjust here. Okay, I have added this text. I have added everything. Okay, I want to add some overlays here, and I want to show transitions to you. See, this is one clip and this is one clip, and if you click on it, this I have downloaded. See how it changes from this clip to this clip.
Has not reached icon executing.
We can say it's an amazing phone because
I will show again from here. I want to split it, and I want to add here this.
iPhone SE 2020 is the same design as
See, it changed it somehow. You can add anything like this, cinematic zoom like this.
Same design as
See how it changed from one clip to another clip. So this is in this video. This I have taught.
Thank you for watching. If you want more about tech related videos and to know more about Kinemaster, and if you want to become a pro editor in Kinemaster, just subscribe to my channel so that you will become a pro editor in Kinemaster. And I will be uploading 2 to 5 minute video on Kinemaster, so that with that videos you can become a pro editor in Kinemaster. And if you want to know more about technology, mobile phone gadgets like that, just become a subscriber to my channel so that you will know more about technology. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any update in my channel. This is Sujit. You're watching Just It, and I'm signing off.